In this video, I'm going to show you how to download videos from Facebook for free. In case you've been wondering how to download videos from Facebook and you've been finding it difficult, worry not as I show you how to download videos from Facebook for free. So in case you're new to my YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button as I show you awesome tutorials, more coming on this YouTube channel. So get started by hitting and liking this video as I show you. So guys, once you log into your Facebook app, you go to the video section of the video you want to download. Follow me carefully. You click on these three dots by the right and click on copy link. So you've copied the link to the video you want to download. You head over to your browser, Google Chrome, Firefox or any, and go to www.snapsave.app. www.snap.app. So we have the snapsave.app. So once you get here, you can see download Facebook video. Here you input the URL. Just paste the URL you copy and click on download. So our video is about to be downloaded. It's very easy. So you see some versions which you can download. We have the 720p, which is the HD. We have the 360p, which is the SD, and so on. Then you click on any of these. You click on any of these, and you click on download. As you can see, our file is downloading. It's easy to download videos from Facebook. In case you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Let me know any challenges you are facing in the comment section below, and I will surely respond to them. If you have any question as well, hit me up in the comment section and I will try my best to reply them all. Thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye.